आज मैं मुंद्रा से अहमदाबाद की एयर टैक्सी फ़्लाइट लेने वाला हूँ और ये रहा इसका बोर्डिंग पास, हैंड रिटन बोर्डिंग पास।
FlyAirTaxi is incredible new way to travel. It's a part of India Regional Connectivity Initiative under UDAN, aiming to make short distance air travel quicker and more efficient. Taxi offers you a private jet filled with luxury and convenience at all an affordable price. It's designed for just 3 passengers, ensuring comfort and speed. Journey from Mundra to Ahmedabad takes just 2 hours, avoiding all traffic and long waits you face with regular flight. This air taxi eventually will operate on 32 routes across the India, connecting smaller airports with major cities, making it a true game changer for travel. As we soar through the skies, you get a breathtaking view of Gujarat's diverse landscape from above. Look at the patchwork of fields, rivers, and bustling towns blending seamlessly into the another. And just below us, we can spot the grand Narendra Modi Stadium, the world's largest cricket stadium, right here in Ahmedabad. It's incredible to see these iconic structures from such a unique vantage point. This is what makes the air taxi experience truly special. Enjoying this stunning sight from above. Here we are, smooth, quick and comfortable. If you want a faster, hassle-free travel experience, air taxi is the way to go. This isn't just a future of travel, it's happening now.